Hello everyone, it's Zaymar here. I hope you all are well. Today I am getting ready for one of the days out of the year to celebrate our beautiful culture, Ashenda. Ashenda is a season where all of us girls experience the time of our lives. We do our hair, our makeup, we dress up, we sing, we dance, we jump, and we create memories with our sisters. It's our day of freedom. Ashenda is not only a day, it's a feeling that lives inside of us, waiting to be released. And now, since Ashenda is approaching, I want us to create a memory, not only for the ones that can celebrate freely, but for the ones that were affected by this war, physically and mentally, for the ones that were stripped away from their freedom. Our aim is to dress 100 girls in Tigray for $25. That includes one chiffon and accessories for one girl. Let's try our best to put a smile on their faces, making sure they know that the celebration of freedom is forever with them. And now I have created a GoFundMe for our girls of Tigray that must celebrate with us. The link is in my bio. So let's enjoy this day of freedom. Together, let's show our appreciation, our love, and our respect to Hawate. Happy Ashenda.